In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram. Try again in a bit. We are not able to load settings error. Let's get started. First, check internet connection. So launch settings, click on the option Wi-Fi. Forget this network, give a first restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, navigate to the option General. Scroll down and head over to the option Date and Time. Make sure you have enabled for the option Set Automatically. Then head back. Now head over to the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Instagram. Launch it, click on Upload app and confirm it. Wait for a few seconds and then click on Reinstall app. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, update your app. For that, close this, launch your app store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, check the server status of Instagram. If there are any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram not loading. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.